Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Kindly turn on your videos. All right. So continuing with statistics. Now here find the mean age from the following frequency distribution using all the three methods. I want you to work this, I want you to work this using the assumed mean method. Please work this only using the assumed mean method. Yes, take down the question, get started. Copy down the frequency distribution. Should we make the class intervals continuous to find mean? Yes, unmute and say. Do we have to make the class intervals continuous to find mean?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it compulsory?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it compulsory?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so see, when the class intervals are not continuous, this question comes to your mind. Can I go ahead like that or should I make the class intervals continuous? Now we have three measures of central tendency: mean, median, and mode. Now, should we make, when the class intervals are not continuous, should we always make it continuous to find mean? Or it's okay, you can make it continuous or you can do it like that itself without making it continuous. And same question for median and mode. Should we make the class intervals continuous? For mean, for median, should we make it continuous for mode? 1 second, children. Yes. Yes, children. What have I told you in the videos?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, while computing mean, the class intervals do not be made continuous, ma'am.
Okay. For median and mode?
We have to make the class intervals continuous, ma'am.
Very good. Perfect answer. Mean is not sensitive. Very good, Rajeshwari. Rajeshwari, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
So mean is not, mean is not sensitive. Sensitive because for mean we'll have to find the class marks. You find the class mark without making the class intervals continuous. You find the class marks after making the class intervals continuous, you'll get the same value. See, for finding mean, you will have to find the class marks. That is, you'll have to generate the xi column using the class intervals. Let me tell you very slowly. To find mean, you don't go ahead with the class intervals. You will generate the xi column. What is that xi column? The column containing the class marks of all the class intervals. Now, how to find the class marks? You can find the class marks without making the class intervals continuous, or you can find the class marks after making the class intervals continuous. So say Sneha does not make it continuous and Harini makes it continuous. Both of them will get the same class mark. You can do it now. Sneha, one of you make it continuous, the other one don't make it continuous. You will see that you will get the same class mark. Please get that clearly. We need to generate the xi column, which contains the class marks of all the class intervals. The class mark will be the same. The values in the xi column will be the same. Whether you make the class intervals continuous or you don't make them continuous, the class marks, the values will be the same. You can try it. You should try it, only then you will believe. So for mean, it is not, you can make it continuous, not that you should not do. You make it continuous. You will only take a little more time to make it continuous and then find the xi column. You can make it continuous, but it is not necessary. It's not necessary. But for median and mode, you have to make the class intervals continuous. For median and mode, you have to. There is no choice. You have to make the class intervals continuous. Okay. So now find mean using the assumed mean method. And I want you to take the xi value pertaining to this class interval as A. I want all of you to take the xi value corresponding to this class interval as A. Do you all understand that? Why everybody is staring at me? Do we understand that or no? Joshika, you watched all the videos?
No, ma'am, only 2 videos I watched. Ma'am.
2 meaning mean and median you finished, is it?
First video fully I watched, ma'am. Second video off, ma'am.
Okay. Children, is this clear? Take the xi value of this class interval as A. Do you understand that or no?
Ma'am, I cannot understand, ma'am.
Oh, Joshika, because you're new and you have to watch the video, so maybe you cannot follow. So, the others, please watch the videos, Joshika.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, I don't know why I'm not getting any response. Start working. Kanishka is not there. Pranav not there. Ananya not there. Okay. Yes, what are the values in the xi column? Yes, Hitesh?
9.5, 9.5, 39.5, 39.
No, you're not audible, meaning you're not loud.
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yeah, now it's better. Yes.
9.5, 19.5, 29.5, 39.5, 49.5, and 59.5, ma'am.
Very good. So what is A? What's the value of A? I wanted you to take something, some particular value of A.
Yes, ma'am. 39.5, ma'am.
39.5. And what is the formula to find the mean under the assume mean method?
A plus sigma FIDI FIDI by sigma FI.
Very good. A plus sigma FIDI by sigma FI. Very good. And how do you find the DI column?
Ma'am, DI is equal to XI minus A.
Very good. DI is equal to XI minus A. Yes, do it. Yes, that's too long to answer this question. What's the value of mean?
Ma'am,
34.87 years.
Nandini, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
34.87.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Perfect. 34.87. Perfect. So you can see that I have made the class intervals continuous, but you don't have to. If you have not made it continuous, you can see that you would have got the same xi values. if you have not made the class intervals continuous, you can see that you would have got the same xi values like what I've got here. It's not compulsory to make the class intervals continuous, but it's okay. If you make it continuous also, it's okay. You'll only take a little longer time. Whether you make it continuous or not, the xi values will be the same. Please note that. So class interval, fi values, the total of the fi column is 80. These are the xi values. And for the assume mean method, you need to find the di column, which is xi minus a. And I asked you to take a as 39.5. So xi minus 39.5. These must be the values you got. And then you need to find the FIDI column. FIDI. Multiply the FI value with the corresponding DI value. FIDI. 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 Multiply these values. FIDI. Multiply. Generate the FIDI column. And use the values in the formula. How many of you are getting it perfectly right? All the columns. Nandini? All correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Ramanathan?
Yes, ma'am.
You completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Joshika must watch the videos to be able to work it.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you turn on your videos. So I'm going to post a message on WhatsApp very strictly that children whose videos are not turned on will be removed from the meeting. Rajeshwari said she has some network issue. Always we cannot say that. Sashmin, Shreyas, I've never seen you. Sashmin, turn on your video. Shreyas and others in the meeting.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Can you hear me? Yeah, ma'am, my hair is wet, so I need to wear my scarf, so I can on it after later.
What?
Ma'am, I'll on it later because I need to wear my scarf.
You need to?
Wear my scarf.
You need to what?
Ma'am, I need to wear my scarf.
Shreyas. Pranav Rajan. Deepika also never. Shreyas and Deepika never turn on their videos. You always have some reason. Kindly fix your web camera issues and make sure that your videos are turned on from the next class. We cannot waste time on this instruction. Yes, children, take a screenshot if you have not completed. Yes, here find the missing frequency. Given X bar is 62.8. Find the missing frequency A. Write down the frequency distribution. Yes, first generate the XI column. Yeah, what are the values in the XI column?
Ma'am, 10, 30, 50, 70, 90 and 110, ma'am.
Very good, Nandini. Yes. 10, 30, 50, 70, 90 and 110 are the XI values. Now tell me the values in the FI XI column.
Ma'am, 50, 30 into A, 500, 840, 630, 880.
Very good. What's the total of the FI column? What is sigma? What's the value of sigma FI?
Ma'am, 42 plus A.
Very good. And what's the total of the sigma FI XI column?
Ma'am, 30 into A plus 2900.
30 into A plus 2900. Perfect. One out of the whole class. Nandini. Very good, Nandini.
Thank you, ma'am.
So you have watched all the videos and understood the contents clearly, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Just complete the answer. So for the students who feel I'm not explaining anything, for your kind information, the videos on statistics had been shared with you as holiday assignment. All the concepts related to mean, median, and mode were explained in the videos. You were expected to watch the videos carefully, understand the contents, and complete the contents of the videos in your notebook. Which means this chapter statistics is already done for you in the videos. And what we're doing now, what I'm trying to do now is to check how well you've understood. And I can see that the response is very bad. Done, children? Have you all completed it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is your next question. Yeah, what are the xi values?
510, 530, 550, 570, 590, and 610.
Yeah, correct. For mean, we always find the xi column, the class marks of all the class intervals. Quickly work fi, xi and tell me. Tell me the total of the fi, xi column.
Ma'am, sigma FIXI is equal to 11,870 plus 510A plus 550B.
1,870 plus 510A plus. Very good. Yes, Nandini is perfectly right. Go ahead, Nandini. Complete the answer and tell me the values of A and B.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You have to generate the xi column. Fi is already there. The frequency column is the fi column. Then you'll have to generate the fi xi column. Fi xi.
Ma'am, I cannot understand them.
Joshika, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Joshika, I told you you're new to the class and you need to watch the videos to understand all this.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Please watch the videos and then you will be able to answer these questions.
Okay, ma'am. I can watch the videos and I will write this in my note, ma'am.
Yes. You need to watch the videos, understand what is explained, and
Okay,
then
ma'am.
write down all that, all those questions, whatever is explained in the videos, you need to write out all that in your notebook.
Okay,
Only when
ma'am.
you write down, things get clear.
Okay, ma'am.
Then all these questions will be simple for you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. If you're not able to engage yourself in this meeting, you can leave the meeting because since you need to watch the videos, you may not be able to
Yes,
try them, right? Yeah. So
ma'am.
don't disturb yourself. If you don't mind, you can leave the meeting and join the next class. But again, next class will be statistics. You should have watched the videos by then.
Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am, the value of B is 5 and the value of A is 14, ma'am.
Perfect. B is 5, A is 14. Very good. Very good. At least there is, one student who's watched the videos so carefully and understood so well. And she's been able to give all the answers correctly so far. Very good, Nandini. Keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. In a way, you've saved me also. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Yes, the screen is for those who you can ask your doubts. To ask doubts, you should watch the videos. You can ask your questions. I'm ready to answer. But for that, to ask a doubt, you should watch the videos. Any questions, children?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, this is homework. Take a screenshot. This is homework. You cannot finish it by Saturday, by Tuesday. We'll see the answer for this one on Tuesday. Keep your answer ready by Tuesday. Take a screenshot. This one also, homework. Any method you can use to find X bar. You can use the assume mean method or the step deviation method, because you know when the numbers are large, you should go in for the assume mean method or the step deviation method. So find X bar either using the assume mean method or the step deviation method. Yes, now it's median. When the class intervals are not continuous, you have to make them continuous and then find the median. Write down the question. Yes, how do the class intervals look after you make them continuous?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
159.5 to 162.5, 162.5 to 165.5, 165.5 to 168.5, 168.5 to 171.5, and 171.5 to 174.5.
Very good. Very good, Hitesh. Very good. So when we have to find median, we have to make the class intervals continuous. What is that other column to generate for finding median?
Cumulative frequency.
Very good. Cumulative frequency column. You need to generate just one extra column. Cumulative frequency column. We have to make the class intervals continuous. That is important. And also generate the cumulative frequency column. Yes. Do that and tell me the median class. What is the value of n by 2? What's the value of n?
200, ma'am.
Okay, 200. Now, n by 2 is 200. What is the, which is the median class interval?
Ma'am, 165.5 to 168.5.
165.5 to 168.5 is the median class interval. Very good. Yes, go ahead, finish it, find the median. I'll just come back in a minute, children. Please continue working. Finish the answer. Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what's the answer, Hitesh?
60 is 167, ma'am.
160?
7.
Oh, exactly 167, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Nandini?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, same answer.
Anybody else? I can see Tarun Murali and Ramanathan.
Yes, ma'am, 167.
Ramanathan, can you take a picture of your answer and share it on WhatsApp with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, do that.
Yes.
Just take a picture of your answer and share it on WhatsApp with me now. I'll be very happy to see your correct answer. I've not still received. Yes, I got it now. You need to send some more. Where is the answer, Ramanathan?
Yes, ma'am, I sent it.
Yeah. How nice. Very good. I'm seeing your answer, Ramanathan. I'm just checking.
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful, Ramanathan. So you've understood so well, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please explain the answer.
Yes, ma'am. First, the height you have to make continuous, ma'am. 159.5 at 162.5.
How did you make it continuous, Ramanathan?
Ma'am, you want to subtract.
Yes, please go ahead. Yes.
Want to add 0.5 in 162.5. Right side like that, ma'am.
Correct. Now, which one? What should you subtract? You subtract what?
0.5 from left side, ma'am.
No, 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 no. How did you get 0.5? How did you get that value 0.5? Oh, you thought it was fixed, 0.5 always? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
No, no, it's not that always. It's not 0.5 always. Okay, fine. You made the class intervals continuous. How did you find the cumulative frequencies?
First 15 we want to write as it as 15, ma'am.
Okay.
And then we want to add 117 plus that 15, ma'am.
Very good. That is 132. Then
132 plus 136, 268, ma'am.
very good.
268 plus 118, 386, ma'am.
Very good.
386 plus 14, 400, ma'am.
Very good. What is the
Ma'am,
value?
this 400 and that 400 should be equal, ma'am. Then only it will be equal, ma'am.
Yeah, right. The last cumulative frequency should be equal to the total of the frequency column. Very good. Next, what did you do? You find n by 2, right?
Yes, ma'am, that f by 2, ma'am.
Okay, then
Then median class interval that slightly more than 200 you want to take, ma'am, from that cumulative frequency.
yeah, that is important. Very good. So from the cumulative frequency column, not the frequency column, from the cumulative frequency column, you will have to pick the cumulative frequency, which is just more than 200, which is just more than 200. So which is that value which is just more than 200 in the cumulative frequency column? 268.
268.
Very good. So the corresponding class interval is the median class interval. Very good. Then how did you, what is L? What does L stand for?
Lower limit.
Lower limit of the,
Lower limit of the height, that is once. Yeah. median class interval.
Lower limit of the median class interval. Then what is CF?
CF, the one that one is preceding that class interval is CF. Before.
Before, yeah. So this is the median class interval. The cumulative frequency preceding the median class interval is the CF. CF of the class interval preceding the median class interval. And what is F?
The frequency of that median class interval.
Frequency of the median class interval. Frequency of the median class interval. And how do you find H is 3?
H is with the ma'am, you have to subtract 168.5 minus 165.5.
Very good. So H is 3. Very good. And then substitute these values in the formula. Substitute these values in the formula and find the value of the median. Okay. So how do we calculate here? 4 tables we can cancel. 4 ones are, 4 sevens are. 4 threes are 12. 1 remains. 4s are. So 17 ones are, 17 twos are. 3 by 2, which is 1.5. 3 by 2, which is 1.5. So the median height is exactly 167 centimeters. And how many of you got this? Ramnathan, Hitesh, Nandini, anybody else?
Ma'am, we also got, ma'am.
Who got it?
Harni Sneha.
Why you've disappeared from the screen?
Ma'am, when we on the camera, the PDF is not visible, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine. All right. Very good. So Sneha, Harini, Nandini, Ramnathan, and Hitesh, right? You all got the right answer. Very good. No, I think this is in the video, so you can take this as homework. I think the same question is in the video. You've already worked this one, so just leave this. Yeah, do this now. One minute. Let me give you a different question. Yes, do this one. Do this one, children. If median is equal to 240, find F. Ramnathan, I'll be very happy if you can explain this one also. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Work it first and then explain it.
Yes, ma'am.
So my first question, which is the median class interval? Ramanathan? Which is the median class interval?
Mhm. 200 to 300. No?
Why? Why 200 to 300 is a median class interval?
Mm, 240 is consisted in 200 to 300.
Very good. Because the value of the median is 240 and the value 240 lies in the class interval 200 to 300. Very good. So 200 to 300 is the median class interval. What is the value of L, Ramanathan? What's the value of L?
L 200.
L is 200. What about CF?
CF.
Okay, Ramanathan, read out your CF values.
15.
Yeah.
32 plus F. 44 plus F. 53 plus F. 58 plus F. 60 plus F.
You cannot do it so correctly. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Yes. So have you finished the answer?
No.
Okay, finish it. Anybody has finished the answer? Anyone completed the answer? Still working, children?
Ma'am, what is n by 2, ma'am?
Who's that?
Harini, ma'am.
Okay. What's the value of n by 2, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the total of the frequency by 2?
Ma'am, here's 60 plus f, no, ma'am.
Correct. Yes, Harini, yes. Come on. Complete your doubt. Meaning, complete your question.
Ma'am, we have to take it itself, ma'am. 60 plus f by 2, ma'am.
Yes, you must take the 60 plus f by 2. What is your doubt? How to identify the median class, is it?
Ma'am, I got it, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am, but I'm not sure if it's right or wrong.
Yes, Shreyas, what's your answer?
Ma'am, I got it as 20. Ma'am.
Frequency is 20. Can you take a picture of your answer and put it on WhatsApp for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, do it. It's time, so I have to show the answer. Yeah, your answer is right, 20.
Ma'am, I've sent my answers.
Yeah, I'm just going to, yes. Very good, Shreyas. Your steps are perfect.
Ma'am, is it totally right or somewhere?
It's completely right. My steps are different
Okay,
from
ma'am.
your steps.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I looked and I asked.
Yeah. You have taken 60 by 230. It's right. You have done your calculations are different, but you're still right. There is no mistake anywhere.
Thank you.
Yeah. So children, this is the CF column. This is the CF column. Since the median is 240, 200 to 300, because 240 lies in this class interval, 200 to 300. So this is the median class. So once you know the median class, it's easy to identify the other values. The frequency of the median class is F. The cumulative frequency preceding the median class is 32. So substitute in the formula, median is 240, lower limit of the median class 200, n by 2, 60 plus f by 2. N by 2 is 60 plus f by 2 minus CF minus 32 by f. F is f itself. F is f into h, the width of the median class, 200 to 300, 100. So first I've shifted this, 240 minus 200 is 40. First I've shifted this one. I've not done any change here. I've not done any change here. Then I've taken up the LCM. 60 plus f by 2 minus 32. I've taken up the LCM. So 40 is equal to, here I've taken the LCM. 2 is the LCM. The common denominator is 2. So you get 60 plus f minus 64 because this will be multiplied by 2. So it will be minus 64 by 2 by f into 100. Then you know this f will come up here. So it becomes 2f into 100. See, it's like this. This is the numerator kind of divided by f. This f is like divided by f. So it'll become into 1 by f. So 2f it becomes. It becomes 2f. See this f, you know, it's like this one is like divided by f. So it'll become into 1 by f. So 1 by f means 2f. So 40 is equal to 60 plus f minus 64 divided by 2f into 100. So 60 minus 64 is minus 4. This f here, cross multiply 80f into 100. So 80f is equal to 100 into f is 100f, minus 4 into 100 is minus 400. So on working this, 80f minus 100f is minus 20f is equal to minus 400. F is equal to 20. Minus gets cancelled on both the sides. Minus cancels on both the sides. So f is equal to 400 by 20, which is 20. See, you can also bring this 100 down here for division. You can also bring this 100 down here for division. Then cancel 0 and 0, and then this will be 2s or 5s, and then you'll have to cross multiply. You'll get this. You'll get 2 by 5 here. Like if you bring this 100 here, this will be 2 by 5. Then you have to cross multiply like this and work. You can also bring this 100 down for division. 40 by 100. So it'll become 2 by 5, and then you have to cross multiply and solve. So the value of f is 20. How many of you got this answer? Nobody except Shreyas. Hitesh, you got it? Laminathan?
No.
No. Calculation, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about Tarun Murali? Sashmin, are you there? Okay, Tarun Murali says I have some audio problems. Okay. Sashmin, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kindly stay back after the meeting. I need to talk to you. All right, children. So that's it for today's
Okay,
session. If you
ma'am.
want, take a screenshot of this one if you have not completed. Yeah. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Sashmin,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Good night.
Ma'am.